Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to our channel where we make learning fun and engaging for toddlers and preschoolers. In today's video, we are going to sing and learn about some colorful farm animals. We will also learn about different shapes. This is a great opportunity for your children to learn something new while having fun. So let's get started. We have a brown cow. Can you see? She is giving us a tour around her farm. She is our leader. This is a big farm with lots of animals, and we are going to meet them all. Let's go. First, we will meet the sheep. This little lamb is white like snow. He has 4 legs and 2 big eyes. Look at him. He is so cute. He is also a very good friend of our cow. Now, we will meet this funny pig. This little piggy is pink, and he is very happy. Look at his tail. It is curly like a spiral. He loves to roll in the mud. Next, we have a horse. This beautiful horse is white and black. It has a long tail and a big mane. Can you say neigh? The horse says neigh. Do you want to ride on its back? Now let's meet the duck. This little duck is yellow. It has a flat bill and it swims in the pond. It says quack, quack. And here comes the rooster. This proud rooster is brown and red. It has a big comb. Listen to it. Cock-a-doodle-doodle. He wakes up all the animals in the morning. Now we will meet the goat. This naughty goat is standing on top of a green hill. It has horns, and it says, "Bah, I love to climb." Last but not least, we have a dog. This playful puppy is brown and white. He has floppy ears and a long tail. He is a good boy and loves to play with children. All these animals live on a farm, and they are all our friends. They are kind and loving, and we love them all. Let's sing a song now. Sing along with me. Here is the cow. Can you see? She is a mother. She gives us milk to drink. She says, moo, moo. Can you say moo, moo? She is a kind and loving mom. Here is the horse. It is big and strong. It has a long tail. Says neigh, neigh. Can you say neigh, neigh? Let's take a ride and sing all the way. This is the pig. It is pink and stout. With a curly tail, it says oink, oink. Can you say oink, oink? He likes to roll in the mud and eat his food. Says the duck. It says yellow and small. With a flat bill, it says quack, quack. Can you say quack, quack? He likes to swim and dive for all the fish he can catch. This is the sheep. It is white as snow. With 4 legs and a fluffy tail, it says ba ba. Can you say ba ba? A very good friend to all of us on the farm. This is the goat. 'Tis brown and has horns and a fluffy tail. Says genuinely, genuinely. Can you say genuinely, genuinely? He likes to climb and sees what he can find. And here's the rooster. It is brown and red with a big comb. It says cockle-doodle-doo. Can you say cockle-doodle-doo? He wakes us all up with his morning song. And last but not least, the dog. He is our friend. He's loyal and true. Says woof, woof. Can you say woof, woof? He likes to play and be with you. These are the animals on the farm. They are our friends. They are kind and loving. We love them all. That was the end of our colorful farm animals video. We hope you had fun with us. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.